All right, so to start with, all you need is to head on to this website, Adobe, okay, adobe.com, because it's powered by Adobe Creative Cloud. To just bring you over here, you can see, so you can get it for free. You can try it for free for 7 days, or you can buy now if you so wish. There's so much to learn from this very interesting software, so much to learn from it and so much to see. Once you click on trial, you can see the features that it came with. You can see you will have access to 100 gig free cloud storage and premium Adobe fonts and many more things. So this for 7 days free trial. If it's okay for you, then you can go ahead, and it's very easy to install. It's just a click through software. You can easily install it. So just install it on your PC and then move to the next step, which is the next class where we kickstart the software from scratch, and I'll show you how to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.